to Textiles, and today I'm going to be talking about the Roma Wooden Pole. The Roma Pole is a 50mm wooden pole that's designed and crafted in Italy. It comes with a reversible finish that's smooth on one side and ribbed on the other. It's available in 7 colours, including Windsor White, Sandringham Silver, Granite, Cream Gold, Dove Grey, West Gold and Linen. It's available in 4 sizes, including 160cm, a 2m and a 2m40 that are all available in a single length, and also available in a 3m that's supplied as 250cm lengths. It comes with rings and C-cut brackets. It's also available with 3 finial options. We have a smooth ball, a ribbed ball, and also a consort. All of these options can be seen on the stand next to me that is available to purchase. If you would like to take one of these for your retail display, then just please get in touch with an agent or rep or speak to the office. Thank you.